60 minutes.
Nora, Cisco hasn't left for his date yet, has he?
I don't think so.
Great. We get another chance at this.
That was a whole of sort of thing that you can do. Well, it is. That's why you don't do it. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Oh, God, not the book of Ralph again.
Yeah, buddy, you successfully completed my 27 steps to getting over the love of your life. Gypsy is in the past. You have a new siren, so now it's time for the art of love.
Caitlin.
I gotta finish working on the device to inject the cure.
Also have to inject the device for the cure.
Iris?
Oh, no, I just saw you, man. I got an article I gotta write. Let me know when Barry gets back.
Chapter 1, initial planning.
Initial planning? It's a first date, Sun Tzu, not an incursion.
Trust me, Grasshopper, love is war. But fine, if you want to skip to chapter 6, know your terrain.
We're meeting at Jitters.
Ah, familiar territory. You are learning.
You know, he really should be going.
I really should.
Hang on 1 second. This one's really important. Chapter 13, intelligence and reconnaissance.
What? You cyber-stalked Camilla?
No, of course not. That's her public profile. But it did happen to have some info on the types of guys that she might be into.
The types of guys that she's into.
Yes, and unfortunately, you are nothing like them. But hey, if you don't want to get a second date, be my guest. Just don't come crying to me when everything inevitably goes horribly, horribly wrong and you die alone. No big deal.
See, now he's in my head, okay? No, thank you. I didn't take these. You saw nothing?
Nothing.